How you doing? My name is Tom Nelson. I'm partnered up with Tom Ambrose. We picked up this 1950 Ford Van Pelt fire truck that sat in the field for 30 years and built it for rodding it out basically, but we also want to do a lot of charity work. So we've been doing a lot of charity work. It's a 1950 Ford Van Pelt on all current chassis. So it's got a 1988 Chevy 110 chassis and airbag seat notch with a 2015 6-liter LS2. So it'll rip down the freeway at 80 miles an hour if you want to. Our main purpose is to actually take it to the Burn Institute. I'll let the kids climb all over it, do a lot of charity events for the fire departments and things like that. And then we try to show up at the shows here to support our local fire.
And if people wanted to support you, can you tell us where and how they support you, please?
Yes, you can go on to Instagram, and it's Olhoser 87 on Instagram.